Hi friends, Coach Jason Luke here. I'm super excited to tell you about a workshop that I've created called mindWOD. It's happening on Sunday, February 11th at United Barbell. This is a workshop that's 5 hours long that will help you elevate your game and become a conscious athlete. We'll talk about things like choice, winning wisdom, competitive drive. You'll also get some tools that you'll be able to start utilizing right away. Of a couple different meditations, including visualization. There'll be time to connect with other people at the workshop. You'll also get to sweat twice with 2 experiential workouts. You'll have time to reflect. I've been a CrossFit athlete for 10 years, and along my journey, I've read books, listened to speakers, gone to conferences, embarked on trainings to discover how to untap my full potential. And these are all things I want to share with you in a way and a format that I truly believe doesn't exist anywhere else. This is an opportunity to be part of history as a pilot. You can find the full course description at coachjasonluke.com/mindWOD. There'll be a link to register through MindBody Online at United Barbell. The cost is just $95 an athlete. Some spots already gone. Space is only limited to 20 people to make sure it's a quality training. And there's an intake form so that I can learn about you and create a magical experience. So join me, coachjasonluke.com/mindWOD.